Hi, I'm Lindsay. I'm a junior at Brunswick, and welcome to the Automotive Technology program.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm a senior at Brunswick. Today we're going to give you a little tour of our automotive lab.
We're going to take you over to the alignment rack. Right now, over here, they're doing shocks.
So with our alignment rack, it's laser guided through the hunter machine that's up in the front. What you do is you'll put targets onto the tires, roll it forward, and the machine will be able to read your alignment and tell us how far out of alignment the car is and how to fix the alignment and adjust it. This rack also doubles. We use it a lot for oil changes if we can't get a car on a two-post lift, or I've done exhaust work on it as well.
Over here, we're doing a tire rotation, and we learned tire rotations pretty much first quarter of our junior year because they're relatively easy, I'd say. Over here, we have the tire balancers and the tire machine.
So with these tire machines, junior year, you'll start on the one that he's on right now. So you'll learn how to take tires on and off the rims along with balance them. And once you master the older balancer and tire machine, you'll move over to the Hunter balancer and Hunter tire machine. This tire machine here is set up kind of like most of your dealerships. So like right now I work for Liberty Ford in Brunswick, and this is pretty much our machine. So once you learn how to do tires and balance them, you become more versatile and more valuable in the workforce for the dealership.
Over here on the Camaro, we are doing a strut job. So all the cars that we have in this program were donated from different dealerships. So we keep these in the lab or in the parking lot out there. Yeah, it's a nice benefit to this lab because we can just work on it whenever. And then over here we have our electrical towers. There's two towers. This one is for the seniors and this one is for the juniors. Basically, what we do on them is we learn how to wire different components of a vehicle. So say like the horn or headlights.
So senior year, we have a lot more complicated board. It's a lot of lighting and a lot of more complicated circuits that are in the car. What's nice about the senior board and these electrical boards in general are you can wire up the entire circuit and he could put a fault in it. You could diagnose it on the board instead of chasing it through the car, which can be harder at sometimes because stuff's in tight spaces and whatnot. Another thing with electrical too is you'll learn how to use a scan tool. More toward your senior year, there's some stuff you'll do with it your junior year, but through the scan tool you can go ahead and read all the readings of the sensors, because every sensor puts back an output to the three computers in the car, so your ECM, your PCM, and your engine control module. With scan tool, I learned a lot more than most of my class because Mr. Lewis sent me to Skills USA the past 2 years. Last year I placed third at regionals and ninth in state. This year I placed first in regionals, so I'll go to states here at the end of April.
Okay, so over here we have our tool room, which again has pretty much any tool you need or any tool that would be in a regular shop.
So what's also nice about this program is you don't have to buy any of your own tools to come and learn how to work on these vehicles. We have all the most common tools on the carts and in the toolboxes out in lab. And if it's not out there, it's most likely in one of these black boxes in the tool room. And if it's something specialty, we have it in the snap-on tool cabinets as well.
In here we have our classroom.
So he'll give you an online course of everything that you're doing out in lab, so you can have a general understanding and read through it, take the test before you go and apply the concepts in lab. Through this program too, you get offered college classes through Tri-C. So this program is partnered with the Ford ASEP program with Tri-C. So all of their online college classes are, well, most of their online college classes you can take while you're in your junior and senior year. Which I took advantage of. I got accepted in the asset for Liberty Ford and am going through Tri-C, so I have most of my college classes already done.
In here is the office. Up here we have all the seniors that have gone to early placement.
With early placement, senior year, you can come in, and since your lab's in the afternoon, after the first quarter, you just come in for your normal classes if you qualify for placement. So like I come in at 8:55, go to my 3 classes, and I'm out of here by 11:10 for placement. At 11:10, I'll leave here and go to Liberty Ford in Brunswick for hands-on experience. You also get your shot at your ASE certifications through this program, which are your brakes, your steering and suspension, and your electrical.
Thank you for joining us on our tour of the Automotive Technology Lab.
We hope to see you next year.